Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Renew the hope of
Jigawa and press like.
The same way he renewed the hope of Lagos many years ago.
Each time we post.
I'm sure you all heard about that.
I love you guys.
You want him to renew your hope in Jigawa? This is the man. Today, inshallah, I am your Speaker of the House of Representatives. So I speak for all of you. Your governor said, you know him, he knows you. You know me, I know you. You know me, I know you. I know Jagaban. You know Jagaban. He is the liberator. He is the pace setter. He is the front runner. He is the Jagaban. When Jagaban was in office, he liberated many people. When he left office, he continued to liberate people. When he gets back into office in May, he will continue to liberate people. We want you to go to the polls on the 25th of February. As you vote, as you turn print for Seidu Miga, you vote for Asiwaju. When you vote for Maki Yeleman, you vote for Asiwaju. When you vote for Magaji Aliu, you vote for Asiwaju. When you vote for Fulata, you vote for Asiwaju. When you vote for all your senators, you vote for Asiwaju. Then your hope will be renewed. God bless you, Jigawa.
APC.
God bless you. Thank you.
APC.